Hey, do you know the top 3 things that you need to buy a home? Well, on this video, I'm going to show you what those are, and I'm going to give you some pointers and tips so that you can get the best deal, the best mortgage deal, and the best rate coming right up. All right, guys, welcome back. Marcos Zambrano with Atlanta Home Buyers Help. Guys, new video, new channel. If you like this video, you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends. I definitely appreciate it. Guys, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to show you the top 3 things that you need to buy a home if you are getting a mortgage loan. Of course, if you have cash, maybe this is not the right video for you. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, tip number 1 is check your credit scores and your credit report before you go into any real estate deal. Please don't ever try to buy a home without knowing your credit scores. Don't ever say, I don't know my credit. There are many things out there for you to find out what your credit scores and your credit report is before you do anything. So tip number 1 is going to be go to annualcreditreport.com. This is a free website that is put together by the 3 major bureaus. And you can go ahead and check your credit report on this website once a year for free. So take advantage of it. This is something by law. It's the reason why this website exists. So take advantage of it. Look at your credit report. Know what's on it, because if there's anything that does not belong to you, you definitely want to address it before you try to get a mortgage loan. So annualcreditreport.com. By the way, I'm going to put all the links on the bottom of this video. So don't worry about writing this out right now. Just go ahead and look at the description box. For your credit scores, you want to go to the bureaus directly. Don't ever go to Credit Karma. It's a website that's going to give you a lot of misinformation, and I know you see it a lot online and on TV. Credit Karma is not really my preferred option. If you want to do it, go ahead and do it, just to go ahead and check it out. But I will personally go straight to the bureau. So go to Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and just go ahead and sign up for the trial. Most likely, they're going to have a 7, 14, or 30-day trial. You can go ahead and do it, cancel before the trial's over, and that way you don't get charged for their services. So that's something that I do personally. I really don't find a reason to keep my Equifax account open. It's $15.99. It doesn't really matter to me, but I don't have any reason to keep it. I just want to go ahead and check my credit score and then cancel before the trial is over. So do that instead of going to a free website like Credit Karma. It's just going to give you better perspective on your credit scores as well. And it'll also give you like free credit simulators. So it'll show you what'll happen if you pay down a credit card or you get an inquiry, etc. So go straight to the bureau. All right, point number 2 is go over your assets. Guys, unless you qualify for a VA loan or an USDA loan where there's no down payment, most likely you're going to need to put down some sort of money for your home. So if you are buying a home with an FHA mortgage or a conventional loan, you're going to need anywhere from 3% to 5% down payment minimum. So you're going to need to have some assets, things like your checking account, savings, 401ks, IRAs, investments. All those things are assets. Go over those before you do anything. The more money that you have saved up, the better your credit profile looks for your lender. So, if you have a 401k with $50,000, that's really gonna get you even a better deal than if you only had $7,000 and that's it. So the more money you have, the better it works for your lender and for you, because you're gonna end up with a better deal. Also, you can get money from a family member. You can get money from an organization as a down payment assistance. So those things are available to you as well. If you can get qualified for them, go ahead and get it done, because they're going to help you for your down payment. But be upfront with your lender. If you do have a lot of money saved up, go ahead and say it, because it's definitely going to help you with your rate and with your mortgage overall. So assets, that would be point number 2. Now guys, point number 3 is going to be your income. So when you buy a home with a mortgage, you're gonna need 2 years of income. So if you work for a company, very simple, get your W-2s, get your tax returns. If you are self-employed, get your tax returns, last couple of years. Retired, same thing, 2 years of tax returns plus your pension letters and your Social Security and whatever else you get. So that's really all there is with income. If you have been working for a company for a long time, that's very simple to analyze. If you have been kind of hopping from one company to the other, unless you have a very big gap of unemployment, you're gonna be just fine as well. Just be able to go over your income pretty clearly with your lender, and and the more income you have, that makes your debt to income ratio lower, and that actually helps you with the mortgage, as well as help you get the better interest rate as well. So 3 things, guys, that help you get the best deal. One is gonna be high assets, high credit scores, and high income. The higher those things are, the lower the interest rate is gonna be, because you're gonna be an A+ borrower. It just makes sense because everything is played with risk when it comes to a mortgage loan. So the more, whatever you can control, handle it. You may not be able to have $100,000 saved up in a bank account, or go from 50,000 in income to 100,000 in just 1 year, but work with what you have in strengthening. If it's credit scores, that's something that you can probably handle yourself before anything else. Well, so whatever you can control, go ahead and do it before you buy a home, because even a 0.5% difference on a mortgage is gonna make a lot of difference over time when you pay down the loan. So guys, that's basically it. 3 things that help you buy a home. Very simple: assets, your credit scores, and your income. That's all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, Marco Zambrano with Atlanta Home Buyers Help. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, and if you have any comments, or you just want to see me do another video, another topic, something that you may want to understand, just go ahead and put it in the comment box below.